Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Dropfit. So Dropfit is basically a dietary supplement that is, according to their bold claim, provides you with a wide variety of features. It includes three powerful natural ingredients and it is backed by clinical research. As they are saying, it is manufactured in USA and it is approved by FDA as well. So this is a dietary supplement that is 100% natural formula for healthy and sustainable weight loss. So here they have also provided with a list of ingredients that are actually clinically proven in helping out to weight balanced. But now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have included few of the testimonials of the customers as well, but we never know if those are the actual ones. So I try to get the reviews of the Dropfit on the Scam Advisor website, and once I searched for it, I got to know that they have a trust score of 56 out of 100, which is slightly low trust score, and it is based on multiple factors. And apart from this, once I searched for it, if it was approved by FDA, it was clearly defined that the FDA has not approved any product called Dropfit. So which means this is a major red flag. And also their domain name was registered recently in 2025, so which raises concerns about this authenticity. In conclusion, I would say like this project is pretty much a scam and you should avoid purchasing it and wasting your money. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.